Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is law of gravitation? Every body in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the magnitude of the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the scale of distance between their centers. If there are two bodies A and B having masses m1 and m2 and distance between their center is d, then according to this law, F proportional to m1 m2, it means that if body A has mass m1 and body m2 has mass m2 and their product, their masses is m1 into m2, and this force of gravitational is directly proportional to the magnitude of the product of their masses, it means that F proportional to m1 into m2. If distance between their center is d, then F is inversely proportional to 1 over d square, and F is inversely proportional to scale of distance between their centers, and d is distance between their centers. Combining these two relations, we can write F proportional to m1 m2 over d square. If we remove sign of proportionality by constant, which is known as universal gravitational constant, and it is represented by G, then F is equal to capital G m1 m2 over d square, and value of G is equal to 6.67 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. We can find mass of Earth using law of gravitation. If mass of Earth is me and mass of object placed on the surface of Earth is m, and distance between the centers is r, which is radius of Earth, then F is equal to capital G me m over r square. M is the mass of Earth and m is the mass of the object, and r is the radius of Earth. We know that the force by which Earth attracts a body towards center is known as weight. So this gravitational force F is equal to W, and W is equal to, and we can replace this force F by mg. Cancellation probability m can be cancelled, and we have expression G is equal to capital G me over r square. Multiplying both sides r square, then we get gr square, and dividing then by G, then we get m is equal to gr square over capital G. G is the acceleration due to gravity. On Earth its value is 10 meter per second square. R is the radius of Earth, and G is the universal gravitational constant. Value of G is taken as 10 meter per second square, and value of R (6.4 10 to the power 6 meter), and value of G 6.673 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. By using equation mass of Earth, m is equal to gr square over capital G, by putting value G 10 meter per second square, R 6.4 10 raised to the power 6 whole square, and value of capital G is 6.673 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. By calculation, we can find value of mass of Earth. 6.4 to 6.4, we get answer 40.96. Then dividing by 6.673, we get final answer 6.138, and this have base 1, this base 12, base 10 and exponent 1. This has base 10 and exponent 12. This has base 10 and exponent minus 11. By using law of exponents, we can sum these for 1 plus 12, and this value is minus, and then this becomes plus 11. using exponents laws. By adding, we get 1 plus 12, 13, 13 plus 11, 24. Then we get mass of Earth, 6 × 10⁻24 kilogram.